Okay. She can't be with us right now. Hello, people. Good evening from me. When the cheer in the here right now, but good evening from Pretti Don. I want to tell you guys that you see me? Yeah, my page, yeah. I can do live on my page. They report the live, but I'm still here. You see it? Yeah, man. You know, me I go do a live, but little more in the evening. Don't need that energy there. I say what me have to say. You see me I did. I not take back nothing what I say this morning, because I mean it. You see me? But I just want to know so I am still here. You see me? I'm buckling not your grow, dog. Not your grow. You see? Yeah, man, I want to do a little live, yes, but I think I'm going to do it later. I don't, remember, you know, enough people don't like me, you know. You see, over there, so I'm fans and I realize that you have some people who say them like me, but they don't. You see? Yeah, man, R.I.P. I want to talk about the murder them in Jamaica for a slight little bit. The morning life was nice. The morning life couldn't get for share because you don't know Badman was active. Yes, eh? So here what you see right here, sir? We book for your event tonight, you know. Out there, so. You see me? R.I.P. to the bad selector. You don't know, so you're going to be missed by the whole world. I mean, I say the whole world, Georgia, I love you. You don't know, say you play all about in the whole world. You see me? But I want to, a bad mind too, you know. You see, if you do good, no go to Jamaica. If you're doing well in life, don't you ever go to Jamaica. Alright, 11:30. I can't sit down and eat. Voila. Alright. One thing I can ever say to you right now, I want to believe me. You see, look for a footer. Remember, you know, footer, I say him are the governor of Jamaica, you know. Him walk around with Jamaica, lad them pan him blood clot neck like it all pop off, you know, daddy. You see me, I did? Remember, say them man, they walk around with Jamaica Bible and them blood clot seed and him. Fuck me. Come on from live. Fuck. I'm even a black here, okay. Wait now. Remember say them the man there walk around with it on his neck. Me love Jamaica, Jamaica not like this, Jamaica not this, Jamaica not that. And not even him no one blood clot go down there. Not even footer hype. We sit down every day and talk about this and in talk about Jamaica not believe in that. Jamaica is not all about that. Jamaica this, Jamaica that. From the year start, no island in the Caribbean now have blood clot crime rate like Jamaica. As you look, you see 4 or 5 more dead. You see 5 or 6 more dead, you know. Remember, I said this year the island wanna get up and beat people for every day and I talk about so we not believe in that. We don't believe in a sodomite Pretti Don, but we don't believe in all of them people who are murder on one another down at that pussy clot, eh? Mama Papa and the whole of the junk crowd there, yes or no. Remember, so we don't believe in it, you know. I want to general them who down there will make you know, live a better life, no? Remember, you know, yeah man, I'm a general. I found a general, them they want to kill off the people, you know. Nowadays, if you have money and you have like a success in a life, you not even think to buy one house in Jamaica. You think to buy a house in Puerto Rico. You think to buy a house all one. We want one part, one of the island, one place so nobody don't know you can't have no bad mind. We don't like see nobody gonna right you know that the people will kill Mr. Slaughter, you know. Guess what? How could I bridging them? Some people I know from a long time. You understand me? I deal with somebody tell you dead at Jamaica if you know something. Because you know all the brother they are dead. You get gunshot. You see me I deal with? I want to show you nothing about yard. Remember, you know, I only say on have this can't go on a yard. If Una did put out so much strength in a justice system and the murder rate of Jamaica, like how Una put it out in a sodomite and batty man. Jamaica crime rate on a blood clot stay the way it's there. Remember all 38 people a day are dead down at that. Remember so when you look down a mucky nasty broke blood clot Jamaica. Jamaica broke like dog, you know, Una behave just like on the economy broke. Now go nowhere. No one no blood clot. Go the worst in the Caribbean. The only thing you have a blood clot name. You think mother me? What day me see when I look a Yankee friend and call link baby. And I said, hey pretty. I can't wait for you to take me to Jamaica. I said me? Me? Fika you go down there. Me never yet introduced Jamaica to nobody yet. Me would have never sent somebody go down there on no vacation. If I'm alone and I make no money down at that blood clot. The other day when I look me I say when all kidnap foreigner and I kill them down at that you know I wanna do all kind. Which part are we know? You feel like say when me go in a nut store boy me no use Jamaican accent more. If you not have to know say me come from Jamaica you don't know. You must say blood clot mad. No, what don't have that for your blood? Remember now, ask Serpy. A Serpy have a whole live vlog them nowadays because a film channel at. Why? Because I want to start this year. You think I mix up and the way whole I have a run go for yeah man. I wonder who them a talk about today. Jesus Christ. Yeah. No. Serpy have the real truth them over there. So what really a go on a yard? What we fi show the tourists them at that tourist we see. And that the tourists them fear. What you want me to come talk about? This is the land of my Jamaica dirty place. Mo no want not even one dog to live down at that blood clot. Me, one of mine, me could have all like power in my hand. None of my family they not live down at that blood clot. More than me, before them dip me rather take my own life. I saw me look on Jamaica. When them put me in the holding cell for sell me go yard, I rather hang myself. You see me I did? Me rather put a rope around me neck and hang myself down, come down there and stay with them. The best thing not for it ever happened to me in a life, I went out with the get all a one visa for cut out left for the blood clot. No for no auntie or no cousin them want to see no look for no go suck no mother down at that blood clot. Me I tell you that straight. None of we know, you think we not glad for seeing none of we call me. Straight here, I don't lie. Me attack for myself. Before me get deep come down at that with Uno, me rather hang my blood clot self in the same holding cell. Them have some little sheet where them put on the jail bed, them would and tie that. And hang my bomb clot cell before I come down the con. I would have take my own life before I come down the con be around, you know. Nobody no want migrate come down at that. You see me? Nobody no want migrate. Remember, say me don't know so I don't like me already, you know. So me have to ask why me would have. Remember, as enough people, all of them on a sodomite, they not even last 2-3 days down at them yard, don't murder them. You understand me? Jamaica is not a place I would have tell anybody to go. All of the tourists board don't make a cent because of blood clot me. If me if you go up on national TV, I would have bring down Jamaica before I bring on up. I swear to God. Before me have nothing good to say about Jamaica, I have to show me something good. Yeah man, you go talk so about we because you want sodomite. And you know we not like sodomite. My out and pussy hole idiot bitch girl and dirty boy. All people want a sodomite now want to come down there so which part on they go suck out on no mother. Oh you mean? Chejana, where the fuck? Where you are doing for my life? Me call you over here? Me not call you over here, mama. If you that Jamaica you have to stay down there, you see the little blue frock you have on, you need to take it off and put it around your fat blood clot they can chop off one tree. Nasty girl. Me say you fucking country corrupt, you deaf? Corrupt like your drawers scratches them. You see the yellow and the green and the blue stain them when your drawers, I saw Jamaica blood clot corrupt. Yes, it does. Yeah, man, what you want me to come here to come say? Me not come here to come tell no blood clot rare. Pussy. Your country and no nothing. You deaf? I mean, go and watch the news. It's on YouTube too. Where you want me to come here? So Jamaica. Jamaica not even the best island, I worse. The only thing we don't have a blood clot name. And the only thing that we don't have a name and fame. Everything round on our shit. On live in a toilet full of shit. But every day on the get up on yeah. Jamaica people, how you tear down what? Jamaica tear down into one a blood clot self. You think you need me? Me can't discipline where I come from? Suck your mother! You deaf? You think me glad to come from down there? I am not a proud Jamaican, beat me if you want. Mama, if I could have given you back on a blood clot accent, I go on it too. Mama, if I could have unborn from down that bomber clot, I would have do the same. So don't tell me how to fucking feel. Pussy, you have my feelings. Me say, I wish me never born, wish by you born, idiot girl. That me say. You deaf? Remember, so you don't like me, so I can't say that. Jamaica the best for you. You sit down here and say best. Where? Which part? Not even big foreign now, the crime rate like Uno. Me, the old, they down the road, I'm watch American news every day. And people not dead, yes so. Like how Uno, one little circumference of land, people are dead there. So how you not gonna beat me? Look here, blood clot beat me. What the fuck you not beat me, say? Pussy me can't say because I remember saying you don't like me. Go suck on a mother youth. Me sorry me blood clot born. That's so. Because other places in the world are better than that. What the fuck you gonna beat me through, me see so? I know for not talk about say you're rare. Pussy, you no beat me. You no do me all kind of sitting in Jamaica. Me have all right for no like you know. The amount of things you no do me. We never do no nothing yet. You do how much in innocent people so much things. You beat people for live under bridge. You beat people for fuck this and fuck that. But the people them want to kill off on the pitney them. We are shot on the mother them in their face. We are shot on the remember say they use all duct tape and kill one elderly. So one community of people run me down already, not because me loud, not because me did attack, but you me just like one boy and beat me. Remember that, you know? The place, this is the land of my birth. Remember, one time when I see people like me who run me down, cut me throat and kill me. Remember that. Let's alright. When Jamaicans see people like me, what happened to people like me? Them run you down, gun you down, cut your throat, rape you. If they not rape you, then cut your throat, stab you up, fling you down in the bottom of one water, tie stone around you, make you sink. Me have all right for you to know. Jamaica! Jamaica the place that don't make you learn to live. Jamaica not no love. Remember some the teach you not for love. Who know that? What make you think on the blood clot crime rates are fucking high down at that? Who not teach nobody for love. Not even a school. Who not teach people for love. No time. Who not beat we at school and do everything. Who still treat you like blood clot slave. So we grow like slave and rebellious and kill with one another. Who not treat you for love. When you see people like me wanna beat and kill me, all if me never touch on a bumbo clad, all if me never me come from a place where the way me dress and the way I am gonna kill me, remember that. Remember say me can't walk in front of you. Remember say, even you see people like me, my throat for cut, I'm gonna stab and kill them. Remember, one time me at 21, pussy wall and don't tell me what me a lie. I'm going to suck your mother and come out from my life. Don't tell me that. It there bomber clot station, bitch. Me know. So don't pussy clot tell me nothing. Idiot girl and come out from my life. But blood clot rare. Oh no. One community of people in a 2012 asked me blood clot mama. It's still the wrong station. One community of people. One place near Falkland. A Portland, remember? I can't forget you, Platter. Because till me dead, youth, your demise is something when I sit down and pray upon every day, youth. You see, me can't stop eating. You see, me can't stop eating. You see the stone where you did have in your hand where you use and lick me in my head back? The Achilles will now run me down and emaciate them. Remember you, sir, when me run come in your yard and I beg for rescue. You remember? When me come and I beg for rescue, I say, sir, you see me? You tell me, come out of your yard. Remember, you push me out of your yard to them. Remember, say you push me out of your yard and get them. And then grab me, yeah, man. And what you do, platter? The stone in your hand, you bust up the back of my head. I kill him. You no beat me. What did I do to any of you? What me did do to any of you? More than hurricane did I go on? House stop blew off. Everybody. More, you know no lie me I tell. Everybody a bomber clad party. Did I walk? I look on the blood clot demise where the pussy clad storm do. But the storm just passed. But what the biggest problem? Me. So the whole of you what did I do? Look at the roughage and all of the things that go on. What you do? When you start run down me. When you start run down me. The storm just passed, you know. Everybody sitting them blew away and thinking about me. When you run down with Achilles. When you have Achilles, when you tear off Achilles off a tree. Mash it. We much in big stone now when me run go in your yard, sir. Elder. Remember when me run come in your yard. You push me out of your yard to the crowd. And what them do? Further beat me not true? Bust up me there. So, all of the little idiot them were there on my life I can't talk about say. That is a lie. I which country you live in? I must see true, you're not blood clot gay go there. You see me? Me never did I go change who I am for none of the idiot Jamaicans. None of them. I was going to be who I am regardless. So in the midst, I want to stand past on the biggest problem. Was a lesbian girl I walk, I look to. Not even say the lesbian did I do sit, you know. I walk, I look to and see what blow away. I want to run me down, I want to beat me. Yeah. Bust up me head, man. You remember? So how you can tell me about Jamaica? You don't go out with it. Don't go out with it. Me never did I go stop and tell you say me born as a hermaphrodite. Me did born as this. Me feel more this. No beat me. I could talk about again one time. When I did see me with me other girl when here, Adriana, and police. A police beat me so Jamaica. One place that I St. Mary. My auntie tell you, when I come up the morning, you can see when they use the 16. Remember, I say not even uno. As a politician and police, remember, I say I'll uno beat you and kill you. So when I burn you out, I go suck out on no mother. Every day my wife tell me, say, babe, I want you to move away from this pain. Because you, as your wife, it affect me too. If you know, say, you go through this down on your own island. Because all Jamaica is violence. You don't believe in a love. You don't love. You just do. Remember one time my wife, she said, babe, let it go. Let it go. Where you at now? Them can't hurt you. Can they hurt you now? Can they? But it's not even a matter, so you can't hurt me no more in a Jamaicans. You give me PTSD. Yeah, man. So no matter how peaceful me is in a life, and no matter how successful me become, you can't. Can't, man. Just one time, me pray it. That girl will come back again with the fucker, dog. I swear. I can't, I hate this girl so bad, dog. I just really hurt this girl. I don't know what is PTSD, dog. What's the matter? Me can't forget. You see me? Yeah, man, he give me all right, man. All police do it, man. Watch you know. Just one time police yes, me there with one girl named Adriana. Me I walk. Boy, my business. I go home one night. Can't forget. And then when the police stop on my foot, I think me tell my wife. When they stop, they tell me, say, yo, me look like a wanted boy. I go as far, officer boy, down a St. Mary. Me go as far, bad man, as to show you, say me have 30 youth. Me tell you, say me no know wanted man. And what you tell me to do? Boy, I buck I care. I want to carry me down a hope well in the dark, not even blood clot, not even street light no down there. Want to beat me with the 16. My man to tell you. When me go home, you can't see the piss. Me piss blood. Me piss blood, you know. Me that when you're looking at your back card, then use the 16 and clot me down, you know. You see me I deal with, because I'm just a boy, so you know. One licking at the back of my neck, you see me, I'm go down on the ground. And then when the boy start, the squad start to kick me in, and then the other one say, yo, no face. Don't lick her in her face. Oh, you did say me a one. Oh, you did say me a one man. But you say, not our face. You can't say because. You see me? You can't say because I show you it to them. You didn't know some you want girl already. You didn't know. You know some me not do nothing. But what? You know so no like sodomite. I want to beat out my blood clot down there. And tell me if you stay away from Adrian. You know remember? Me can't forget your squad. The younger thing. Me can't tell you say oh the number them for you look. You want to beat me with the 16 down there. So when time I tell you so when you look at island have no love, when time you look on the ear gone and you can talk about say all you do is bring down Jamaica. Jamaica has something to bring down. Jamaica has something to bring down. Jamaica have no love for nobody. Jamaica have no blood clot love for nobody. Not even no lawman they not no love for nobody. So if all of the people them always I say me forget gunshot, me forget beat, me get all of that already. Who no give me it already? You want to see me as I talk now? Want to beat me already, me already get raped already. So you see, all of the things I want to sit down every day and they don't want to do to me, want to do it to me already. Want to beat me and rape me already. Want to beat me and bust me up already. Want to hospitalize me already. Yeah! Want to do all of that to me already. Everyone of the things he says all of the violence on now go out with my experience here, me now have nothing to do with it. So me say before me come back to Jamaica, me rather hang my bumbuckler self or take one poison pill. Why you think so my wife make it possible? So they never throw me down the back. You crazy? My mother and my wife make certain. Then my mother get me good lawyer. Put on me case and show them my trauma when me go through down and that we do no drunker. You see, all of the beat and the rape on no think me forget. Me get it already. I will me that how much mommy? 12? Yeah, 12. Big up weedy. Because we carry vengeance in our yard. Weedy rape off my blood clot and tear off my Monday, Tuesday drawers. Half of me. So see, all of the boy them want say, yo, you forget when me that 12 me get it already, I when me at 13 too. 2 years in a back of one of them. At school, me get the last one. Mommy, you remember? That was me in a grade 9. When me in a grade 9. Yeah, when me... So me get beat, rape, me escape the kill. Because you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth take out the knife, me ball out and me run. 'Cause you see when the youth So, oh, no for some if you love Jamaica when Jamaica they love me. Me just have to keep on a dialect. I hit me born with, me born in the colony where the accent I have, me cannot give it back. I cannot give back the accent. Me can't give it back. So nobody can talk to me. When my wife said to me, say, Dan, you must can let it go now. Babes don't understand. Me let it go, you know. Me let it go. But it just live with me, see me, dog. You see what time I say, no come underneath you, so no fucker, boy. Sodomite girl, if you dead, you say, go sodomite girl. Wanna bring me back to the day when you beat me. So you see, all I wanna went on comment on the sit them, and I react to another way there. When just look like the set of people, they beat me. When me at 12, they rape me, man. My mother have to come check my vagina. My mother that work and here one time, I depend one bus I come from Portland and tell my mother what go on. You see me? So when you hear me talk about Jamaica and them dirty economy, nobody come go like me not talk for experience. Me talk for rape, beating, assaults, all kind of things, attempted rape. You see it? One time when you see me talk and me laugh, I'm good, me good. You see me? Me get better, you know, because as I tell you, say, my wife, she, as you can see, she calm me down, you know. You see me? Yeah. You see me? So, when me attack, me no want nobody can go like you can relate to me. None of you can relate to me, no time. So, you see, one time, an American gay girl would have said to me, say, hey, God damn pretty, let's go to Jamaica. More and tell you, no. I never encourage people to go to Jamaica, especially if you're gay or so. Me say, make the Jamaican them stay down there. You see me? So you see one time, me that 12-year-old, me not even did a bus bracelet. I just look a tough bump. Me having on my chest. Him find it attractive. I remember, mommy. Sorry, we see it now. Phone I didn't. Sorry. 20%. So you know something I didn't. One time I hear about them rape there and them sitting there, dirty sodomite girl. Uno do all of that to me already. Uno can't leg on my blood clot shirt now. Uno rape me, uno beat me, uno stab me. Uno bust up me head, uno beat me with stick. So what the fuck you mean? So when you see me a vlog now, uno can't leg on my shirt, man. You see me? So one time I see the violence down there, I just know so that's uno. Enough people don't know so that's you, but that's you. I uno that. And that's all me know about Jamaica. All I know about Jamaica is beating, chastisation, beating, rape, beating, attempted rape. How the blood clot there? Remember one time some boy I never tell you, I think when the reason my mother about it when I play a ball and some boy a breathe and see me. And I go down in there. I go over and move no blood clot from here, so when me a reason don't talk to me. Me know. You see one time, them you sitting here rich people and me here and I can talk about Jamaica. Me don't know Jamaica's not paradise. Me never see paradise down there yet. Me never see paradise down at that blood clot yet. The only paradise me can talk about my mother lock her gate. Me have me growing up my house on Disney Channel and Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network. Yeah, enough cat and dog my blood clot watch, cow and chicken. Yeah, that's how Lizzie McGuire grew me. You see me? So, you see, one time me hear no phone I can talk about say, big up this and big up that. I have nothing in Jamaica for big up. You don't like me. Remember, you know, say, me know so you don't like me. So, what time there? Oh, you say that? I can say that. God, the only thing me know from Una is beating, rape, beaten and I'm still gay. I'm still gay as fuck. So on the rape never help. On the beat never help. I'm still gay as I'm eating pussy, nigga. You get it? Me don't think you get that now. So no matter how you beat the people them and rape the people them and beat them and stab them and acid them and chop them, you are what you are. Remember so you beat me? 100. I Nikki, I must say. Remember how you beat out my bum buckler down at that. You see me? So you see when time me hear no command and need the comment the sodomite girl I eat that remember I saw in a group I beat me too. When you have the lass and the stick them and the stone them and the same sodomite, I'm used to it. So me just think you know so me get raped already, me get beat already, raped twice, beaten couple times, I'm still gay. So what the rape for? What the beat did for? So all of the murder won't have murder now. All it do is just bring me back to all of that. Me don't know how there's no people with love. Me don't know how there's people who like people. Me know how to kill people. Me know how to beat people. Me know how to just be the way how no are, my friend. No, what time my sister Jamaica have more death than Corona last year and the year just start. Blood clot, me know no. That's all on is full of hate and bad mind. Most time on the next Jamaican dead a bad mind kill it and envy. You understand me I deal with? Enough of them gunshot you will fire, yeah. Because you don't know allow people alone. When I think people more successful down. But enough of them they beat me. All of them they rape me. All of them they do all of them. So when they abuse me. When they do all of them. I'm still gay. I'm successful. I can pay my bills. And I'm not fucking broke. How do you feel now? How do you feel now? As my wife said, as she have it for deal with now. Because on beaten and the whole of them, you see the society wanna have down there, wanna make people hurt. Not even just gay people, whole on a whole. Just because they hate people so much, wanna make sometimes people hate all themselves. Wanna make people hate themselves. Oh, this. Fuck you. As my wife said, she want me to go talk to somebody. She said, not because I'm crazy or nothing, but I have a whole heap of pain when I carry from the country. My wife up on the line? Hope she is. She always say, babe, I just want you to go talk to somebody. Let out all of that. Let out the earth to Jamaica earth. Jamaica hate me like poison. Me not think I could have vlog if I that foreign. I'm hungry because I that foreign. Me say them beat me, them do me all kind. Oi! Stab, chop. I'm not gay? I don't know, baby girl. I like pussy. So if, I don't know what you call that. Yes, me get raped. Me get beaten. We're not supposed to glad. All I know where always I say to beat that sodomite girl. Yeah, all I know not realize, say how the way how know that's why the crime rate and that's why we lose so much children and we lose so much brothers and we lose so much sisters and we lose so much uncles and grandmas. We lose all kind of them people because they not no love in a blood clot, Where? Me happy as well, like when me show her thing now, it's like when me say to my wife, I say, babes, I'm happy, She said, no, because you still carry that pain. Me say, babes, it's not like me carry the pain. It's just like, me can't forget. Me say, me can't forget the beating, me can't forget the torture, me can't forget none of that. Me can't forget the rape, none of that. And me say, me still there with woman. So what did that salvage? What solve? Tell me what did solve? The beating, the rape, all of that. What did solve? So now, one time I say, Mr. Slaughter dead, every minute you can look down your timeline, you can see one another 12, 13 Jamaicans for dead, just a dead, so. And you think a corona kill them? No, other Jamaicans that use gun and a shot them in their face, a shot in a chest, a shot, yes sir, Jamaica. If one so educated, you don't act like it. One so bright, you know, but you don't act like it. Remember, Selassie tell me so on the dance. When Selassie come out in the country, him see how no behave, where him go no money for bill. One school, because him say on the fucking dance. Remember that. Yes, it's just because you're uneducated, no bumbleclot, at that go on, you know. You don't have no bumbleclot knowledge. Nothing about, you know. You don't have a one-track life. I want to live on the one-track life there. I want to just beat people, I want to just... Because all me know. Me hear them say them go, Jamaica have a boogery law. The only country, Jamaica is the most homophobic country in the world, you know. No other country not homophobic like Jamaica. Jamaica is the most. So you can clap on yourself with that now. So you kill gay people the most. Gay people don't have rights. Gay people can't walk on the road. You can clap on yourself with that. You know win. I guess that's what they did one, right? But why kill so much gay people when they're trouble no do? One to them people who kill them other people shoot off for one another and this and that. No cocky war them two man you play, no pussy war them two girl you play. Them can't harm them one another blood clot. Make them play them cocky war. Some time me hear no found the Jamaicans that talk, oh yes, we kill Baltimore and Sodomite for choke out not grow with pitney them wrong. No! Who not grow no blood clot pitney them wrong? Baltimore and Sodomite come fuck in front of no pitney them. Some little boys, me see them a go like them a girlfriend, them come out of them mama pussy. Some little girl a time boyfriend, them come out of them mama pussy. And don't want to play dandish and they want to play blood clot with our brother them. But no, one time on the down there on a question it why Jamaica crime rate is the way how it is. Because how the way how Uno is. Uno the way Uno bad man. Uno no take talk. Batman and Sodomite get gunshot in a them blood clad face. For once you not do the right thing a yard you go dead. Go Jamaica, go foreign and make some money buy a beam and come back to Jamaica me shoot in your face. Me see you come back a yard and I live nice, me kill you. There is nobody no come a foreign for come bill and go back to Jamaica no more. Why? What? Come on, man. Come on, Charlie, let me tell you, enough time. More fuck up them. Me can't win, and you're them against me. And Jamaica against you, you know. You lose already. Because remember, I said 95% of Jamaicans think the same way. It's just their way of life. You understand what I deal with? When you look on the crime rate nowadays, you not see them a kill Batman and a kill Sodomite. Them a kill them one another. As one little Batman that rise up from somewhere, you have to go back out and eat the car. You throat with boss. Every Batman you see at Jamaica can show you stab, chop, acid, gunshot. I went to yesterday claim say corner man them when I rub out them blood clot and nigga every day. Now I got nowhere in a life. Yeah man dog. So grab there. Them never stab, no shot, no nothing. And them they are non-progressive element in a life. You know how much gay people I help Jamaica see them, you even don't like them. Not me. Not me. Because remember say Jamaica say them not spend do the money. Jesus Christ do the money I keep on afloat down at that blood clot. Uno ignorant till it look bad. I mean ignorant like on love to fight because I love use words in the wrong bumbleclot term too much. Ignorance you don't have no you lack of education pussy hole. None you don't have. sir. See that? Dunce your fuck. That's why Jamaica need Jamal. Most Jamaicans can't read. And then think it's good that you can't read. Most Jamaicans don't know A from bullfoot, and that is good. So they can just put gunshot in a gun, bust shot, and I hit that.